Your body might be acting like you're in danger, even when nothing is actually wrong. No threat, no attack, no real emergency. Yet your heart speeds up, your thoughts race, your muscles stay tense. You try to relax, but your brain refuses. This happens because a powerful system deep inside your body is misreading the situation. Your nervous system thinks you're under threat, and once that system switches into survival mode, it becomes extremely difficult to turn it off. To understand why this happens, we need to look at the brain's threat detection system. Deep inside your brain sits a small but extremely powerful structure called the amygdala. Think of the amygdala as the brain's alarm system. Its job is simple: detect danger, trigger survival. When the amygdala senses a threat, it activates the sympathetic nervous system, the branch of the nervous system responsible for the fight or flight response. Within seconds, your body releases adrenaline and cortisol. Heart rate increases, breathing speeds up, muscles tense, your brain becomes hyper-alert. In a real emergency, this response is brilliant. It prepares your body to fight, escape, or survive. But the amygdala has one major limitation. It cannot always distinguish between physical danger and psychological stress. To your brain, a predator in the forest and a stressful email can trigger the same biological alarm. This is where modern life creates a hidden problem. Your brain evolved for short bursts of danger, but modern stress is constant. Deadlines, uncertainty, social pressure, relationship tension, endless digital stimulation. Each of these can activate the amygdala, and when the amygdala fires repeatedly, the sympathetic nervous system stays active. This creates a state known as nervous system dysregulation. Instead of switching between stress and recovery, your body stays partially stuck in alert mode. This is why many people feel restless even when resting, tired but unable to relax, mentally exhausted but physically tense. The brain begins scanning the environment for more threats, even when none exist. When the nervous system stays in survival mode, something important happens to the brain. The prefrontal cortex, the region responsible for logic, planning, and decision-making, begins to lose influence. You can think of the prefrontal cortex as the CEO of the brain. It handles strategy, discipline, and long-term thinking. But during stress, the brain shifts control toward the amygdala and survival circuits. This creates a biological conflict. The thinking brain wants to stay calm and focused, but the survival brain believes danger is present, so your body prioritizes alertness instead of performance. Focus becomes harder, emotional reactions become stronger. Small problems feel overwhelming. Your brain is not malfunctioning. It is simply following ancient survival wiring. This changes the way you should view anxiety and stress. Most people try to solve stress purely with thinking. They tell themselves, relax, calm down, stop worrying. But the nervous system does not respond primarily to thoughts. It responds to physiological signals, breathing patterns, body tension, movement, environmental safety cues. When these signals tell the brain that the environment is safe, the parasympathetic nervous system activates. This system is the biological opposite of fight or flight. Heart rate slows, muscles relax, the brain exits survival mode. Only then can the prefrontal cortex regain control. Your nervous system is not trying to sabotage you. It is trying to protect you. The amygdala is constantly scanning the world, asking one question: am I safe? When the answer is unclear, the brain prepares for danger. But the moment your nervous system receives enough signals of safety, the alarm begins to quiet. And when that happens, your mind becomes clearer, your body becomes calmer, and your brain finally shifts from survival back to performance.